all synthetic wigs need to be made like this from now on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I thank you guys for watching. So today I have this, can't believe it's a synthetic wig, okay? But this wig is from Outre, melted hairline lace front. It has a good ear to ear, comfortable fit, frontal fake hairline, baby hairs included. And it also has a waistband attached to it. Y'all seen that when I was putting the wig on. HD transparent lace. Yeah, as y'all can tell. Like, this wig is so natural. And honestly, the roots, it starts like from the roots. Like, the roots are so natural. Usually with synthetic wigs, the roots, like, they all the way down here and then it goes to like the ombre. I like when the ombre starts all the way up here because it looks so natural. Like synthetic wear. Synthetic wear. I don't see her. But anyway, the wig is called Natalie. I got it in this color, DR2 Cinnamon Wine. And this is just more about the wig in the middle. And then it also comes in some more colors. And this wig is bomb. So honestly, I may be getting some more colors. I say that every time I get a new wig, that I'm getting different colors, and I never do. I always just get a new wig, but I don't know about this one. She may be the one I get in different color for real. But yeah, she's not really long. I think she's about 22, maybe 20. Not even really that long. A little longer than 20. I say maybe 22, 24, 22, 22, 22. 20, 20, 20. It's around there. And that's just on me because I'm 5'3", I think, around there. So yeah, let's get into the wig. So I do get shedding, but I'm not sure because I did pluck a little, but I did not pluck too much. So I'm not sure if I'm getting that like from the pluck or just from the shed. But I'm thinking it's shedding. No, I ain't gonna lie, I think it's shedding. But it's fine because the wig is fine. Do not get many tangles. The only time I got a tangle is because I put my clip in kind of wrong and it got tangled. That happened with human hair. So yeah. Oh, I got a little snag, but it wasn't too much. But yeah, I think she's shedding. But it's a synthetic unit. It's not even blended. I don't think it's blended. Yeah, I don't think this is blended. It can't be blended because it was too cheap. Not cheap like it was cheap. But anyway, I'm rambling. But she's just amazing. She is really good. I love the red. I really love the red. I had seen somebody else do a review on it. If I remember, I'm gonna link her video down below. I can't remember her name, but she installed it so bomb, and I really did love it. So she inspired me to get the red because I'm more of a black girl, a 1B. But I was like, I really want some color. And the last red wig I have some human red wigs. It's like literally this length, but I had a red wig that was synthetic that she was just done. She's over with, it's time to throw her away. So I want another synthetic red wig. Cause I have some human ones, but I like to mix it up sometimes. Yeah, I said this is a very good beginner wig. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't put nothing down in the middle. I didn't do anything. I did pluck, but that was just me because I just wanted to see. But I think I'm gonna pluck on this side, and it really looks the same of when I first started. Sometimes plucking is synthetic wigs really don't do anything, but it really didn't even be plucked. I just want to see. But yeah, a really beginner friendly. Put her on, did my baby hairs. That's it. But if you don't do baby hairs, why can I talk? If you don't know how to do baby hairs, it's not really that good for you. But I think this wig could go without baby hairs. I didn't try it because I love my baby hairs, but I think you could do it. But do not have to do anything to the middle of the head. Nothing. The lace is amazing. I put the wig on and it blended with my skin. Synthetic wigs really stepping it up. Outre, y'all done did something here. I don't even know how old this wig is. It's probably pretty old because I got it off of Amazon. So that link will be in the description below. But also some like Sam's Beauty and stuff links. If I find some, they will be down below. It really wasn't expensive, so I'm guessing this wig could be kind of old. Whereas I'm saying like it came out early this year or maybe late 2019. But this wig, awesome. Starting now, what is it, November, I think 25th, the day before Thanksgiving. All synthetic wigs need to be made like this from now on. If they can do it, you can do it too. Period, okay? But I'm done rambling. The wig is big hair friendly, all that, beginner friendly, all that. Very nice, very beautiful. If you have any questions, comments down below. I said that wrong. That's it for this video, because obviously the wig is just taking over. It's alright. But I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below. And I answer. Bye, guys.
Soldier boy, tell me.